Kaunti ya Kisii na gosuka wikayasi kaunti ya Nyamira nigo abalimi amona bamenye benseme yobono bairwa baseme igoro yobuya bwekemeri kya Hass Avocado asebono abamanyikora asensemo yoboremi ose wizara yoboremi baikasi kaunti yona koro baseme gocha sabaremi igoro na kibabonete gosimeka ekemeri kyo nabayigo obuya bwekemeri kyo nigo bayigo baboliwe kwenekinga nkwebwaterani bare no boremi bwekemeri kyo kya Hass Avocado asekeri nigo bwate chiro asebono nabo igo ligo liriaye nigo lire edigia asebono barachiko igwanonya no gosira wechibesa elikwegendereria ase ogosimeka kwekemere kyo kya Hass Avocado.
The quality of the seedlings the farmers plant, some of them are not certified and they are not the best. Number two is the pests and diseases that are quarantine pests in our export market, like the fruit fly, the FCM, the scales, the thrips. All these are challenges that are facing the farmers.
People come and explain to you because you are vulnerable, you're not organized, you're not a unit. Your neighbor wants to sell at 120, another neighbor wants to sell at 100, another neighbor wants to sell at 150.
The Polish government tulikuwa nao wakasema they want to sign an agreement with the governor Nyamira wachukue avocado directly kutoka Nyamira.
Our development partners in collaboration with my government will come together in charting the way forward in solving the challenges facing avocado farmers, especially in availability of the right